All right, Mike, thank you. This week, the FDA took a big step to increase access to a potentially life-saving drug.
Dakota Sherrick reveals how some feel increasing access to Narcan is key to tackling the opioid epidemic.
Addiction recovery organizations like 7 County Services are thrilled the FDA is moving closer to making Narcan available over the counter.
I'm very excited about the option for Narcan to be an over-the-counter medication.
This week, FDA advisory committees unanimously voted in favor of making Narcan available over the counter.
Where's your Narcan at?
Narcan is the leading version of naloxone in the U.S., an overdose reversing drug.
It's difficult to help somebody change their life if they're not here anymore. So whatever we can do to save as many lives as possible has got to be the top priority.
CDC numbers show in Kentucky in 2020, more than 1,900 overdose deaths were reported by September. That number jumped to more than 2,300 in 2021 and decreased slightly in 2022. Indiana saw a similar jump between 2020 and 2021 and had more than 2,600 overdose deaths in both 2021 and 2022. In all, the CDC has found 75% of overdose deaths involve opioids, a majority of which involve fentanyl.
The number of overdoses are way down, but the deaths are about the same, and that's because there's more and more dangerous types of opioids out there on the street as well, which makes Narcan even more crucial.
Dr. Eric Yazel with the Clark County Health Department says they work to make Narcan as available as possible.
There's only so many places that you can, have it for public and things like that.
He believes allowing it over the counter, making it widely available in drugstores and many other locations, would greatly help with the opioid crisis.
It's an exciting move.
Getting the potentially life-saving drug in more hands to give more people a second chance to get the addiction recovery help they need.
Ultimately, it's about saving as many lives as we can.
Final FDA approval is still needed before Narcan could be offered over the counter. In Louisville with photojournalist Neil Johnson, Dakota Sherrick, WDRB News.